Ever wondered what could happen if our moon, our constant companion in the sky, were to collide with our planet? Picture this: Earth and the moon, two celestial bodies locked in a cosmic dance, their motions choreographed by the invisible strings of gravitational forces. The moon, in this ballet of the cosmos, gracefully orbits our planet, held in place by Earth's gravitational pull. This force of gravity, a result of the mass of the two bodies and the distance between them, acts as a cosmic tether binding the moon to Earth's side. Now imagine if this delicate equilibrium were to be disrupted. What if the moon, our luminous partner in this dance, were to spiral inwards on a collision course with Earth? The result would be a cosmic spectacle unlike any other. As much as we marvel at the beauty of the moon in the night sky, a collision would be catastrophic. But how catastrophic exactly? Scene script. Imagine for a moment the moon hurtling towards Earth at an incredible speed. This is where science steps in to help us comprehend the incomprehensible. The moon, our faithful nighttime companion, becomes a celestial projectile. As it draws nearer, our planet's gravitational pull accelerates its descent, and the moon hits Earth with an energy that's beyond staggering. To give you an idea, the moon's impact energy would be equivalent to the detonation of 1 billion nuclear bombs. The resulting explosion would create firestorms that would engulf the Earth, turning our blue planet into a fiery hellscape. Imagine a wave of heat so intense it could turn sand into glass. The collision would also trigger gigantic tsunamis, dwarfing anything we've ever seen. These monstrous waves could reach thousands of kilometers in height, sweeping across continents and obliterating everything in their path. But the aftermath doesn't stop there. The massive amount of debris thrown up into the atmosphere would block out the sun, plunging the Earth into a prolonged darkness, a nuclear winter. This would lead to a drastic drop in temperatures worldwide. With the sun's life-giving rays blocked, photosynthesis would cease. Plants would wither and die, leading to a collapse of the food chain. This could potentially result in a mass extinction, wiping out most, if not all, life forms on Earth. The moon, which has been a symbol of romance, a beacon for explorers, and a source of inspiration for poets and artists, would become the harbinger of our planet's end. It's a scenario that's chilling to contemplate, isn't it? However, before you start panicking, let me assure you that this is highly, highly unlikely. The moon is not on a collision course with Earth. It's actually moving away from us at a rate of about 3 centimeters a year. It's hard to fathom the sheer scale of destruction a lunar collision could cause, but it's not all doom and gloom. We'll explore why in the next scene. Stay tuned. Although a lunar collision would be devastating, it's not necessarily the end of the story. In the grand scheme of things, life on Earth has proven to be remarkably resilient. Even after cataclysmic events like the one we're discussing, there's potential for recovery. It might take millions of years, but life as we know it could find a way to bounce back. Over time, our planet could stabilize, the dust would settle, and the climate might gradually return to a more habitable state. In this new world, life could begin anew. With the change in the Earth's ecosystem, novel life forms could evolve, adapted to survive and thrive in this altered environment. Just as the dinosaurs paved the way for mammals after their extinction, a lunar collision could set the stage for the next dominant species on Earth. So while a lunar collision would reshape our world, it might also pave the way for new life forms to evolve. So what have we learned from this cosmic thought experiment? As we've journeyed through the universe of possibilities, we've discovered that if the moon were to collide with Earth, the aftermath could be significant, to put it mildly. The science behind it is both fascinating and terrifying. The impact would trigger a series of catastrophic events, including massive tsunamis, fires, and a potential nuclear winter scenario. Life as we know it could face a mass extinction event, similar to what happened to the dinosaurs. But even in such dire circumstances, there is a glimmer of hope. As we've seen from Earth's history, recovery and evolution are possible over time. New life forms could emerge, and our planet could once again thrive, albeit in a potentially different form. While a lunar collision would be a catastrophic event, it's a fascinating reminder of the power and unpredictability of our universe. Thankfully for now, our moon remains a safe and beautiful companion in our night sky.